We have just released the Trader Tips Algo, which is a mechanical TradingView strategy designed to generate signals for traders using prop firms and broker accounts. And to give a brief explanation of how it works, the algo analyzes the 15-minute MNQ chart during 4 specific times in the day. It then uses a fixed set of indicator metrics and decision rules to identify potential trade setups. And when the predefined conditions are met, the algo generates a signal using a 1 to 5.5 risk-to-reward ratio, which also includes built-in logic for protective exit signals at each market close. And like with any TradingView strategy, if the user chooses to, they can have these signals sent to their prop firm or trading account to automatically execute trade orders if they configure a third-party webhook service for the connection. But as an important disclaimer, the user is exclusively responsible for any action or decision made outside of TradingView, including setting up the connection, trade execution, and all aspects of risk management for their prop firm or trading account, especially when using automated execution. And to give an idea of the performance in terms of the backtesting results, when using a simulated 50K prop firm account, using $200 risk per trade with a max hypothetical drawdown of $2,500, the results generated 9 out of 12 profitable months. And during this period, the highest profitable month returned a positive value of $3,058, whilst the highest losing month returned a negative value of only $393. And during the whole year of backtested data, the algo's results never exceeded the drawdown limit of the simulated account. And when pushing back further to a backtest spanning the past 2 years, the algo managed to return 19 out of 24 profitable months, whilst again managing to never exceed the drawdown limit of the account. And we can again see this trend continue when observing the backtest graph spanning the past 6 years. This tool's goal is to provide informative signals consistently on a day-to-day basis, and the backtest results reflect that. But at the same time, backtesting strategies use simulated environments that can differ from real trading due to a range of different reasons, which means they shouldn't be used as indicative of future results, which is why we have actually set up a channel within the free Discord server that automatically tracks each signal made by the algo in real time, along with a daily, weekly, and monthly running profit breakdown at the end of each session. So, if you're interested in the algo, this free-to-access channel will allow you a transparent view of how the algo's signals are performing on a day-to-day basis. And within the Discord, we have also created a channel for an easy-to-follow step-by-step guide for setting up the algo, where if you have any further questions, you can feel free to ask a member of the team. And for the users that hold a membership for the algo, you will also have access to exclusive channels within the server that provides dedicated support and discussion for any needs you may have with the tool. So if you are interested in gaining access to the Trader Tips Algo, there will be a link available in the video description as well as the pinned comment. But if you choose to try it, make sure to fully read our terms and conditions on the store page. And as a final legal disclaimer, we need to mention that futures trading is risky, and never trade with capital you cannot afford to lose. Results from past performance do not indicate future results. The Trader Tips Algo and all related materials are for educational and informational use only. The Trader Tips Algo is exclusively a Tradingview Indicator strategy that produces signals within the Tradingview app. It doesn't manage funds or execute trades on behalf of the user. Trader Tips is not a financial advisor and is not authorized or regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. Nothing in this video or our materials constitutes investment advice, financial advice, or a solicitation to buy or sell any financial instrument. Backtesting strategies can leave out important details, such as slippage, commissions, or other real-world market factors that may be factors depending on which prop firm or broker is used. Future success can never be guaranteed. Trader Tips is not responsible and accepts no liability for any incurred losses through the use of our tools or information. Users remain fully responsible for all trading decisions and risk management, including when using third-party automation or execution tools. Please keep yourself safe, and if you have any further questions about the algo, make sure to ask us in the free Discord server, a link for which can be found in the description as well.